if we look at the populations, it's about 4 billion people of men in the world at the moment, and 50% men are affected by this androgenic alopecia. The problem is really big, but only there are 2 drugs. And our discovery and technology, this is the one we have invented, is really hope for the people in going through this problem. And if we look at that, how we have started this study, so it was 2014. I was sitting in the Japan lab during my postdoc, and then we were trying to find the agents which can stimulate new blood vessels formation, and then this 2-deoxy-D-ribose popped up, and this 2-deoxy-D-ribose can stimulate new blood vessels, for example, in our body. This is present on the backbone of DNA, and this is already in our bodies. We put this this carrier containing 2-deoxy-D-ribose in the wound. The wounds were healed faster where there was 2-deoxy-D-ribose, and definitely this was something which was helping new blood vessels formation, and followed by the faster wound healing. And similarly, at the end, the wounds were healed faster. What we have seen was that around the edges of the wounds, the hairs were longer. So this was the time when we looked at critically that maybe surprisingly this 2-deoxy-D-ribose is doing something else as well. After many, many years, when Professor McNeil and myself had thought about developing this androgenic alopecia model in mice to test 2-deoxy-D-ribose effect on the wound hair, on the hair regrowth, at the end, we have seen that the group which was treated with minoxidil and 2-deoxy-D-ribose, this was a very good results. And 2-deoxy-D-ribose was behaving equally good like minoxidil. The hair length was better, and hair diameter was better, and also stimulated the diameter of the hair follicle was wider as well. Number of hair follicles were greater, and also the hair bulb area covered by melanin was greater as well in the cases where there was 2-deoxy-D-ribose treatment. So this was very fascinating results, and we were quite happy that we had something in hand where in the form of a 2-deoxy-D-ribose, which stimulated blood supply to the hair follicles, which as a result we have seen the better hair regrowth. So this was a really good discovery, and we managed to file a patent on this, and also recently this work has been published.